My name is Amy Costello.
And we're in 7th grade, and our project is Chemiluminescence, also known as cool blue light.
Basically, have you ever went outside tonight and seen little flickering lights? Have this ever made you wonder how they act? Those are fun. Have you actually wondered how they glow? And it's important to know because it's frustrating if you wonder for a question if you wonder for too long. So, the fireflies can use the glowing for communication symbols, mating symbols, and anything else.
So basically what we want to know is what makes fireflies glow and what could possibly be some of their mating symbols.
We think that the chemiluminescence will fill the room with a cool blue light.
So the materials you need to do this project is water, the luminol mixture, curate mixture, and copper sulfate crystals. You need a popsicle stick, a small scoop, a teaspoon, and something to mix them all in.
First, you need to get a cup and fill it with 2 teaspoons of water.
Then you need to take the small scoop and put just one of the scoops of the luminol mixture.
And then you also have to do the same with the puree mixture.
Then when you're ready to make it glow, you take the popsicle stick and you take a couple of the copper sulfate crystals and you add it in. And then you stir it. And then once it looks a greenish blue color, like this, you put it into a dark area, like a dark box or something, with something to look into it, and you'll see the dark area light up with a blue. Another example of something that uses this mixture is a glow stick, commonly seen 4th of July or somewhere that's dark. And when you break it or shake it or however you use words, break it, okay, do it. Yeah, well, whatever you do to it, it lights up when it mixes the chemicals inside of it. So we observed that as we add the copper sulfate crystals to the luminol puree and water mixture, it glows and makes a blue light, hence the name, cool blue light. And this is helpful because it shows how they could take chemicals from inside of them and control them to mix or unmix, because if you could see it from the angle I was at, you can see how, although they're mixed, they can still be easily separated.
This can be helpful because it shows how fireflies or other organisms that light up, like blowers if you go into certain caves, it shows that they light up from the chemical chains that's within their bodies.
And finally, we found out that the copper sulfate crystals reacted with the mixture, causing it to light up. And our hypothesis was the same as what we found out, because we do find out what makes them glow, which is the chemical mixture inside of them. And possibly what could be some of their mating symbols is a certain amount of flickering, like a binary system from math.
We discovered that the copper sulfate crystals will react to the mixture, as shown before. Our hypothesis was correct, as she said before. And we learned that the copper sulfate crystals, the aluminum mixture, the carbohydrate mixture, and the water together cause a chemical reaction with each other.